Hi, my name is Sandy Coleman. I'm an artist and art educator, and I created the Community Circle Project, hopefully to make the world a better place. I believe that art reminds us of our common humanity. Art invites us to tap into our innate creativity, to experience the process of bringing forth what is imagined into reality, and to see what is good within ourselves so that we can also see what is good within others. This, ideally, not only opens us up to hoping for the best for everyone and for the world, but also moves us to act to bring about good. I believe that imagining what you want is the first step toward making it happen. All of this is at the heart of the Community Circle Project. The Community Circle Project is an ongoing art collaboration and engagement that I created and began facilitating in the summer of 2019. The circle is a symbol of unity, wholeness, connection, and inclusion. The project employs the symbol and the themes evoked as a creative focal point in making art that incorporates words and designs in response to a prompt or question. For example, one of the prompts is, "What are you learning during this challenging time?" Participants engage in art making as well as meaningful conversation about what they make. This is where we learn about each other and connect. This is where we see how answers are similar as well as different, but that all answers are very valuable. As an artist, I'm driven by the desire to help people tap into their own natural creativity so that they can feel the joy that I feel when I'm making art. When I make art, time and space disappears as I process thoughts and feelings, or just let things flow and make something beautiful on paper or canvas. During these challenging times, as we experience a global pandemic as well as national protests for equitable treatment and social justice, there definitely has been a need for exploring and expressing thoughts and feelings, as well as connecting to others. I started making a list of the lessons I've learned during this time. They're not earth-shattering revelations or anything, but they're very meaningful to me. I didn't want to forget any of them. So I started incorporating them into the Community Circle Project art journal that I'm keeping. A few of the lessons I've learned and created circles about include the fact that technology is a tough teacher, especially when it fails. I've learned don't panic, be patient, and if something isn't working, unplug it and start over. That is wisdom that is transferable to life in general. I've learned that we can all be heroes. Look at the essential workers who've been heroes of the COVID-19 situation right from the start. Grocery store employees, for example, didn't have the luxury of working remotely, nor did the delivery workers racing to get our packages to us when we were too frightened to go out. And the medical professionals knew the risk of their jobs far better than anyone, and yet they showed up every day to try and save us all. I've learned to be grateful. Nothing is given. We have so much to be thankful for: food, family, health, love. And I've also learned that beauty surrounds us. We just need to look for it in simple pleasures and the people we encounter, and just taking a breath, a deep, healthy breath. I've learned that our capacity for growth far exceeds what we've really tapped into. What have you been learning during these challenging times? Make a circle that answers the question in words and design. Share it with the people around you and talk about it. I also would love to see what you design. If you want to, please share your circle on my website, www.communitycircleproject.com, or on my Instagram account, @CommunityCircleProject, using the hashtag CommunityCircleProject. It has been so interesting to see how people respond to this prompt and other questions. When we open ourselves up to each other, we can clearly see how much we have in common, even though we are very different. This is one of the most beautiful and biggest lessons we can learn. Thank you.